Royal Play Equipment introducing 50mm Prime SM Sports Grass, tailor-made for all your sporting needs. Whether it's football fields, soccer pitches, or tennis courts, this grass guarantees top-notch performance. Who can benefit from this revolutionary turf? Sports clubs, stadiums, schools, and beyond. Its versatility knows no bounds. Now, let's talk about the perks. Say goodbye to constant upkeep with our low maintenance solution. Its durability and all-weather usability ensure a long-lasting investment. Plus, with reduced injury risk, safety is always a top priority. Let's delve into the specs. 50mm pile height, density 8820, detects 10,000, color all green, stitch 14/10s, gauge 5/8, backing double PPPU backing. Experience excellence with Royal Play Equipment's 50mm Prime SM Sports Grass. Upgrade your playing field today.